Do you know balance in life is a key to everything? If you want to bring balance in your life, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Tina Ashok Dhingra. I am organic lifestyle entrepreneur and coach and I'm on mission to help 1 billion people to live organic, healthy and happy life. Today we are going to talk about how we can create balance in our life. Love others but don't forget to love yourself and don't forget to let go people and maintain your boundaries but open your doors when it is required and spend your time in alone and stillness but spend your time with friends also. So you have to find balance in every spoke of life and that is a beauty of life. When you create balance in your life become more happy, more joyful, and because everything will kill you if it is too much and too less. So balance is a beauty of everything, balance is a beauty of life. So find balance whatever you are doing. Ancient symbol of harmony, yin yang, remind us the act of balancing things. And because we have both side and everything is in pair, like good and bad, day and night, male and female, and joy and challenges, everything comes in pair. But our job is to find our line, and we have to find balance, and we have to find our happy space between all these things, because everything is in pair, everything is complement each other, everything is have their good and bad, but we have to find. Your happiness is depend on your ability to balance the opposite side also, rather than only sticking to one thing. And how beautifully you balance, and that is depend on your ability. And if you will ignore other aspect and you are only thinking about and having focus on only one thing, and you are ignoring and avoiding other aspect, then over some period of time your craving will start, and that will disturb your peace of mind, and you will stuck in your life. So don't do that, and focus on don't focus on only one thing, and learn how we can create balance in all aspect of our life, so that we will live happy life. And so there are 5 tips to live well balanced life. So number 1 is take care of yourself and nurture yourself, and have plenty of water, do exercise, and have a good diet. And you can't burn a candle from both sides. If you think you will eat junk food and you don't do exercise, then you will take work from hectic work from your body, then it will be very difficult for your body. So and give time to yourself for walking, reading, or listening and dancing, whatever you love to do. And nurture yourself, and find time for yourself. And second is know what your priorities are, because you can't take everything, and you can't do everything in one time. So you have to set your priorities, and don't take extra load on yourself. And there is one saying called don't bite off more than you chew it. And don't take so much load on yourself. Set your priorities, set your boundaries. Third is create an efficient mindset, and take few time initial in your week, and organize your whole week and plan your whole week. Make a calendar, make a to do list, and plan your day, and find in your whole day find your time for your family and your friends, and have a well balanced life. Fourth is expect the unexpected. Sometimes things happen in our life which are not in our control. So rather than taking stress and tension, and try to accept things. And sometimes in our family and with our friends, something happened which needs our attention and our energy, and we are not able to find time for our own happiness, our own space. So try to find out time for yourself and make your make space for your own self. And fifth is maintain the positive mental attitude. Before you start your day, you make an intention in your mind, this day is going to be best day of your life, and don't try to control your future, don't stress out about your future, live in present, and just try to bring balance in it is important to find balance in all area. It is not like that you are choosing one and denying all other aspects. So life is beautiful when you create balance in your life, and have a happy life. Thank you.